Hey guys, I just wanna update you guys. 7:30. Honestly guys, I have sick, it's getting worse. Last couple days I just have sore throat and runny nose, and right now I more skinny now guys. It's because last night, today's 21, last night I didn't sleep really well because this amaka look puti. I didn't sleep really well because of this cough, fever, cough, runny nose. I got flu, a really bad flu, but it's okay guys. Just pray for me that I will be fine, Laban Japan. And look at me, I got more pimples too. Oh my god. I'm turning to red because I feel like I'm having fever again. I don't know guys. Lord, heal me. Heal me, oh Lord. Did you hear that? That's Bun Bun. Ingat, amping take care. Ako noon mag-take care, no? Ay, tako Lord.